Welcome back to Cars Trends, the channel where we dive deep into the most thrilling vehicles on the planet. Today, we're taking a closer look at a car that redefines the limits of what's possible on four wheels, the 2025 McLaren 765 LT. Known for its relentless pursuit of speed, precision, and lightweight engineering, the 765 LT is a hypercar that captures the essence of McLaren's racing heritage. Buckle up as we explore every detail of this high-performance masterpiece. The 2025 McLaren 765 LT commands attention from every angle. McLaren's design team has delivered a car that's as functional as it is stunning. The aggressive front end features a large carbon fiber splitter and lower air intakes, both of which contribute to a remarkable 25% increase in downforce compared to the McLaren 720S. This not only improves cooling for the engine and brakes but also enhances overall stability. The sleek, aerodynamic profile includes sculpted side skirts and functional vents, channeling air efficiently around the car to minimize drag and maximize performance. At the rear, the Longtail, from which the LT in 765 LT derives its name, extends 9 mm longer than the 720S. This design is crucial for optimizing aerodynamics. The active rear wing can deploy automatically or be adjusted manually to increase downforce or reduce drag as needed, depending on driving conditions. A massive rear diffuser enhances airflow beneath the car, working in harmony with the wing. Slim LED taillights accentuate the car's sleek design, while quad titanium exhausts, which are 40% lighter than stainless steel, deliver an intoxicating roar. A lightweight polycarbonate rear window further underscores McLaren's obsession with weight reduction. The interior of the McLaren 765 LT is a perfect blend of race-inspired minimalism and luxury. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice the extensive use of Alcantara and exposed carbon fiber, which dominate the cabin's aesthetic. The ultra-lightweight bucket seats, inspired by the McLaren Senna, weigh just 7 kilograms each and provide unparalleled support during aggressive cornering while ensuring comfort for longer drives. The seating position is low and driver-focused, emphasizing the car's racing DNA. The dashboard is minimalist but functional, dominated by a high-resolution folding driver display and a central 8-inch touchscreen running McLaren's latest infotainment software. This system supports Bluetooth, navigation, and both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. While the cabin is stripped of unnecessary distractions to save weight, options like a Bowers & Wilkins premium audio system are available for those who demand high-end sound quality. Buyers can also opt for bespoke trim materials, such as additional carbon fiber elements or contrast stitching, to personalize their car. At the heart of the 765 LT lies a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that delivers a staggering 765 metric horsepower, 755 bhp, and 590 pound-feet of torque. This powerplant is an evolution of the engine found in the McLaren 720S, featuring revised pistons, a lightweight forged crankshaft, and a higher-flow fuel system. The engine's dry sump lubrication system ensures optimal performance even under extreme lateral G-forces. This powerhouse propels the 765 LT from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.7 seconds, with 0 to 124 miles per hour taking just 7.0 seconds. The car's top speed is an exhilarating 205 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest in its class. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that has been recalibrated for 15% faster gear shifts compared to the 720S. This ensures lightning-fast responsiveness, whether you're on a straightaway or tackling a series of tight corners. The proactive chassis control 2. Suspension system, a hallmark of McLaren engineering, offers exceptional balance and feedback. With settings that range from comfort to sport and track modes, the 765 LT adapts seamlessly to suit any driving scenario, whether it's a spirited canyon drive or a full-blown track day. The ultra-lightweight 10-spoke wheels are wrapped in specially developed Pirelli Trofeo R tires, which provide unparalleled grip and precision. These tires are designed for optimal performance on both road and track, offering a perfect balance between durability and traction. The braking system features carbon ceramic rotors paired with aluminum calipers, ensuring phenomenal stopping power. The optional Senna-derived brake upgrade enhances performance even further, providing shorter stopping distances and better thermal management during repeated hard braking. Every aspect of the McLaren 765 LT is engineered with weight reduction in mind. The extensive use of carbon fiber, from the monocoque chassis to body panels, and lightweight materials such as titanium and polycarbonate contribute to a dry weight of just 2,709 pounds. Even the windows are thinner to save precious kilograms. This obsession with weight savings improves not only straight-line performance but also handling and agility, making the 765 LT feel razor-sharp and incredibly responsive on both road and track. The technology in the 765 LT is focused on delivering an unparalleled driving experience. The advanced aerodynamics, including the active rear wing and functional vents, adjust dynamically based on speed and driver input to optimize performance. The telemetry system is a highlight for track enthusiasts, offering real-time data on lap times, G-forces, and braking distances. This data can be stored and analyzed post-drive, allowing drivers to refine their skills and achieve even better performance. The infotainment system is user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes accessing essential functions a breeze, even during high-speed driving. Despite its track-focused nature, the McLaren 765 LT offers a surprising level of practicality. The car provides 150 liters of cargo space, enough for a weekend bag or essential gear for a track day. The cabin is comfortable enough for extended road trips, with supportive seats and climate control ensuring a pleasant experience. However, it's clear that every feature, from the lightweight construction to the stripped-down interior, is designed to prioritize performance above all else. The 765 LT represents McLaren at its very best. It's a car that blends cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, and striking design into a package that few competitors can match. Whether you're a collector, a track enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates automotive excellence, the 765 LT is a car that demands your attention. With a production run limited to just 765 units globally, exclusivity is another key aspect of its appeal, ensuring that owning one is a privilege reserved for the fortunate few. What do you think of the 2025 McLaren 765 LT? Does it live up to the hype, or is there another car that has stolen your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Make sure you subscribe to Cars Trends for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and everything you need to stay up to date in the world of high-performance cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.